Ready to turn a small investment into a huge win? Welcome to the SHIB Worldwide 50/50th raffle. Imagine this, you spend just $15.30 and get a whopping 1 million SHIB tokens. That's right, SHIB is incredibly affordable and now is the perfect time to jump on this exciting opportunity. So what's the buzz about the SHIB Worldwide 50/50th raffle? It's simple. You buy SHIB tokens, enter the raffle, and stand a chance to win big. And here's the kicker. Every time you participate, you help reduce the circulating supply of SHIB, which could increase its value. It's a win-win. Not sure how to get started? No problem. We've got you covered with this handy link https://coinmarketcap.com/ranking/exchanges/. You can easily link your bank account, use Apple Pay, Google Pay, or other intra-banking options to buy SHIB. Once you've set up your accounts, make sure to put some money into the exchange, then pull some funds back out to link your account both ways. Easy peasy. For the SHIB Worldwide 50/50th raffle, we recommend having 2 wallet addresses, one for participating in the raffle and another for your SHIB investments. This keeps things neat and tidy, just like your grandma's cookie jar. So what's holding you back? With SHIB being so affordable, there's no excuse not to join the fun and potentially change your financial future. Join the SHIB community today, enter the raffle, and who knows, you might just hit the jackpot. Don't miss out on the biggest event of the millennium. Invest in SHIB, join the raffle, and let's grow together. Happy investing.